Your house is smelling good without flies and mosquitoes. You need to try this at home today. That's right, everyone. After this tip, your house will never be the same. And for this, you need a container. Let's add 3 ounces of water. Water in. We're also going to need alcohol. I'm going to add about 5 ounces of alcohol. Alcohol in. Now, we also need fabric softener. You can use the one of your choice so the smell will be much better. So let's go ahead and add 3 ounces of fabric softener. And now to finish, and a dispensable item, which is cloves. In addition to having a pleasant smell, cloves will also be responsible for scaring away insects, especially mosquitoes. So go ahead and net a good amount of cloves. Okay, that would do. Now just mix everything very well. And now, folks, our recipe is ready. Let's put this aside a little bit. All right, now this is what you do. Get a plastic bottle like this one and then make a hole in the bottle cap like this one and then make a hole in the bottle cap like that. Now let's take the bottle and cut it in half. Then take the bottom part and pour our mixture in, also making sure to add some of the cloves we put. Then take the top part of the bottle and filter like so. And this is how it's going to stay, folks. Now let's get some sticks. These were for barbecue, so I got off the pointy tip. And then let's go ahead and put them inside a bottle. First, let's wear the tips very well. And then we're going to turn in the reel like this, because this will help to exhale the smell much more. Now let's spread this smell a little bit and check this out, folks. That's how it's going to stay. Look how cool. And now you can choose a good spot in your house to place it. You can also reuse containers like these. Just make a hole in the lid and add the mixture. And now let's do the same thing here. First, wet our tips and then turn them around like so. And there you go, folks. Now you can spread them around the house. I really like to leave one at the bathroom, one in the living room, and another one in the bedroom. And as I said, this is going to leave your house super fragrant. And of course, because of the cloves, it's going to help to scare away all insects, especially flies and mosquitoes. Try this at home. Here, I made it with recyclable materials. But if you want, you can also make it with more offensive materials instead, like beautiful glass containers, for instance. Or even buy this product for in stores and then reuse the bottles when empty. But here, I wanted to make it to show you guys in the cheapest way possible. All right, so that's it. Try this at home. I'm sure you're going to love the results.